In one moment, Macbeth loses his queen, for which he has no time to grieve, and in the next, he watches a forest walk straight towards his castle. Act 5, Scene 5 happens inside Dunsinane Castle. At the start, Macbeth acts like he is still in control. He orders his men to hang flags on the walls and says that the castle is so strongly built that it can laugh at a siege. So he believes that if Malcolm's army tries to wait them out, they will eventually get tired, hungry and sick. But even in his confidence, you can hear a crack. He admits that many soldiers who should have supported him have already joined the enemy side. Then suddenly Macbeth hears a cry of a woman from inside the castle. So Macbeth asks that what happened, and Seton returns with a message that the queen is dead. So Lady Macbeth is no more, and Macbeth's reaction is not what you expect. He does not scream or break down. Instead, he responds like a man who has already been drained empty. It is almost like he doesn't have the strength left to feel surprised or grieve for it. So right after that, Macbeth delivers one of the darkest speeches in the play. He reflects on life moving forward every day like a slow, boring march towards death. So to him, life now feels meaningless, like a shadow, like a performance that makes noise but means nothing, like a story told without making sense. So this is a huge change from the Macbeth we saw earlier. At the beginning of the play, he was ambitious and hungry for greatness. Now, after all the bloodshed, he feels like he has gained everything and yet lost the purpose of living. Then comes the second shock. A messenger rushes in, terrified, and says something unbelievable. From a distance, it looks like Birnam Wood is moving toward Dunsinane. Macbeth explodes in rage and calls him a liar, but the messenger insists that it is true. He says he saw it clearly and Macbeth will see it soon with his own eyes. So Macbeth finally realizes that the witches have played with words. Their promises were not protection, instead they were bait. Still, Macbeth doesn't choose surrender. He forces himself back into battle mode. He would rather die fighting than wait helplessly inside the castle. So this scene is the turning point. Lady Macbeth's death ends the last emotional connection Macbeth had, and the moving forest, it destroys the last false confidence he had. Now Macbeth is not fighting for power anymore. He is fighting because there is nothing else left in it. That was all about Act 5 Scene 5. Stay tuned to know what happened in Act 5 Scene 6. Like, share and subscribe to the channel Beauty of Language for more updates.